Good morning, students. Here's chapter 4 Exponents, exercise 4.1. We have done first sum, that is blanks. Now let us continue with sum number 2. First, it is express the following in power notation. We have to change the given term into power notation. What is given? 64 over 729. So break first of all 64 into small factors, then 729 into small factors. Okay, so here we have taken 4 fours 16, 16 fours are 64. If you don't know how to factorize, just try like this as you have done in classes, lower classes 4th, 5th and 6th. Just try like this. You will start with the table of 4. If you want to start with the 2, that also you can try. Okay, both ways I have done. Here it is 4 4 4, that is 64, then 729, 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are 729. So here you got 4 4 4 3 times, 9 again 3 times. So we can write it 4 by 9. How many times we multiplied? 3 times. So here you got power 3. Or if you have started breaking 64 with 2, 64 you have started with 2, that ways also you can do. Otherwise, with the same answer 4 by 9 we got here cube, you can further break 4 into 2 cross 2, 9 can be broken into 3 cross 3. So here you got 2 by 3 square. Okay, now this bracket means multiply, so 2 3s are, here you will get 6. So both ways you can do whatever you are comfortable with. Second, we have 8 over 343. So here break 8 into small factors, then 343 into its smallest factors. What you got? 2 by 7 3 times, 1 2 3. So 2 by 7 raised to power 3. Next you have minus 343 over 512. Break 343 into small factors. So it is 7 7 7. We know that cube of 7 is 343. So here it is negative, minus minus minus, see 3 times minus minus plus, plus minus minus, here you will get minus. 512 as 8 8 8, so you got here minus 7 by 8 whole cube. Further, if you want to break 8, you can write it as 2 cross 2 cross 2, so the answer will change. Now here it is minus 7 whole cube on the top. Here you got 2 3 times, so 2 raised to power 3, already 3 was there, so 3 3s are 9. Here you will get 2 raised to power 9. So this is the answer. This or this both are correct. Anyways you can do. Next also 13 31, you can do 11 11 11. 11 11s are 121, 121 11s are 1331. How you got 11? By factorizing it by prime factorization. You have to make the factors like this. Then 729, also make the factors. Here you got 1 2 3 3 times, so written here cube, so it is in the power notation. Next sum, here it is simplify. You have to simplify it, solve it and find the answer. See, when divide is there and the base are same, what we do, we subtract the powers. Here it is 3 raised to power 4, here it is 3 raised to power 1. So 3 raised to power 4 minus 1, जिसके साथ डिवाइड करना है उस पावर को हमने माइनस कर देना है. 3 raised to power 4 minus 1, you got here 3 cube. So what is 3 cube? It is 3 into 3 because of the bracket. 3 cross 3, you got here 3 raised to power 9. So you will write 3 9 times, 3 3 3 3 and multiply all the 3's, and then you will get this answer. Or you can do like this also. See, it was 3 cube inside, so 3 cube means 3 cross 3 cross 3. You got here 27. Again cube is there, means once again you will write 27 27 27, multiply all these 3, you will get the same answer. So it's your choice how you proceed. Next also we have 5 by 9 whole square, so open it 2 times, then 3 by 5 cube, write it 3 times, then any number raised to power 0. I hope you have learnt all the laws. You have learnt any number raised to power 0, answer is 1. So in place of this you will write 1. Now cancelling, 5 and 5 are cancelled with this 3 3 3 with these 9, and here what is left behind, 1 on the top and in the bottom 3 and 5. So you got here 1 by 15 answer. Next we have the same, these two you can try yourself. Next question number 4, just see 2 brackets are there. You have minus 2 by 3 whole square, then again bracket cube. So if you remove this bracket you will get 2 cross 3. So you got here 6, means this you have to write 6 times and then multiplying you will get the answer. Once again, if you do this way, minus 2 by 3 square, means written here 2 times and multiplied. Then again cube is there outside, so written this 3 times then multiplied. See, both ways you will get the same answer. It's your choice how you do. Next, again it is 2, 2 and 2. If you open it, write it 2 times, solve it. Again 2 is there, so open it 2 times. Again 2 is there, open it 2 times, you will get the answer. Next also, here 3 2s are 6. You will write it 3 by 2 6 times and multiply, you will get the answer. Otherwise 3 is there, written 3 times, opened it, got this. Again 2 is there, 27 by 8 2 times and multiplied. After multiplication, answer is there. Next is express in exponential form. Opened is given, you have to put in the exponential form. Exponential form means एक बेस है एक पार है, उस फॉर्म में आपने इसको लेके आना है. तो बेस क्या होगा 3/11. किस चीज़ को बार बार मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड बेस. 3/11 इज रिपीटेडली मल्टीप्लाइड, सो ये बेस लिख दिया हमने. कितनी बार मल्टीप्लाई हुआ, 1 2 3 6 टाइम, तो 6 को ऊपर डाल दिया. 3/11 रेज टू पावर 6, ये आपके पास एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म आ गई. नेक्स्ट अगेन इट इज़ गिवन, कट whatever can be cancelled. What is left behind, 2 times -5 is left, so here you got -5 square. Next again same way, and students must note from exercise 4.2 you have to do only 1 and 2, first 2 sums. Rest of the sums are not in syllabus, that are reduced, and exercise 4.3 is also reduced. From 4.2 you have to do only 2 sums. See first, express as an exponent of single number. Exponent of single number means आपको एक सिंगल बेस के ऊपर एक्सपोनेंट पावर इस फॉर्म में इसको लिखना है. यहाँ पर 2 बेसिस हैं, तो बेस सेम है. अगर बेस सेम हो तो हम क्या करते हैं, पावर्स को ऐड करते हैं. दिस इज योर बेस, पावर्स को ऐड किया, यू गॉट हियर अ सिंगल नंबर और ये इसका एक्सपोनेंट. दिस इज योर आंसर. हेयर अगेन बेस आर सेम, मिडल में क्या है, मल्टीप्लाई. जब मिडल में मल्टीप्लाई है तो पावर्स को ऐड कर देना, यू विल गेट द आंसर. हेयर सी 7 रेज टू पावर, हेयर अगेन 0, 7 रेज टू पावर 2, 7 रेज टू पावर 1. बेसिस आर सेम, ऐड ऑल द पावर्स एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर. Here division is there, when divide sign is there and the bases are same, what to do, you will subtract the powers. So 8 raised to power 3 minus 2, you got here 8 raised to power 1. That's your answer. Next also in the same way you have to proceed. Sum number 2, just the statements wording is changed. It is the same as sum number 1. There it was written exponent of single number. Here see, this is the single number this is the exponent. So same way we have to write 14 raised to power 3 divided by 14 raised to power 2. See, divide is there, means subtract the powers. Subtracting, you got the same answer. Same way you will proceed for sum number 2. Come to next. Here it is 7th part of second question. 2xy whole square. See, this square is there for all these 3. So put this square with all these 3. Then here x square, this 3 with this 3 with this also. Simplify all, constant first of all, then make together all the powers of x. See, here x is square, here x is 6. So base same, add the powers, combine, then y, combine all the y. Okay, so finally this will be the answer. Same way you have to complete the exercise. Before completing the exercise, must revise and learn the laws of exponents. Thank you students, God bless you all.